What's up, future millionaires? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Verasity. I love this coin. Very, very high potential coin in my opinion. Of course, guys, this video is not financial advice, but I'm going to be talking how you, or if you can become a millionaire holding VRA, how many VRAs you need. Here, I'm going to bring the thing right here. Verasity to Millionaire. I know a lot of you guys like my Cadena video, so I'm going to be doing the calculation with you guys. How many Veracities do you need? What price does it need to be at? And how many can you get with the current price right now? We're also going to be having a look at the technical analysis aspect. Sorry guys if I'm speaking too fast. People like when I speak fast because I get straight to the point. Anyways, Verasity real quick, $97 million market cap. This can easily 10x in my opinion. This would be under 1 billion if it 10x. We have 392 ranked and 360,000 people on the watch list. 360,000 people are watching this coin, which is insane. It is very, very insane. Volume to market cap ratio is very high, 0.56. Now, a lot of people that bought right here at 9 cents almost are kind of giving up a little bit. People hope that, once they buy right here, it's going to continue to go up, and it's going to go to, they're going to make 30x on their investment and so on. Guys, first of all, right now, this is accumulation phase. Let's start off with that, okay? If I pull out the year, we've been accumulating for probably the past year. We haven't changed much, okay? That's number one. Accumulation phase is one you want to buy, okay? You don't want to buy peaks. You don't want to buy when VRA or any other altcoin is up like 500, 600% in a month. That's not what you want to be doing. What you want to do essentially is you want to dollar cost average your position on every dip. Every time it crashes down 10, 20%, you want to buy. And if it keeps coming down, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, this is when people become wealthy from accumulating from the bear markets. They don't become wealthy from buying right here at the ultimate bottom, and then obviously all of a sudden it peaks back up. Because imagine if you put $1,000 right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right? You would have had like a lot of VRAs. But if you just put $1,000 right here, you wouldn't have time to buy more. So it's important to understand that investing takes time, it takes patience, and if you're trading and trying to get rich quick with extremely high leverage, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Anyways, let's have a look at Verasity and how you could become a millionaire. This is pretty easy. The first one, 1 million Verasity, okay, traded at 0.02 would essentially give you $21,800, okay, $21,800. So you would do 1 million, okay, times 0.0218, and then this would be $21,800 to get 1 million Verasity. Now this, in my opinion, can go to $1. If this goes to $1, the market cap would be $4.47 billion. Is that possible? That's definitely possible. Verasity has high potential. I think it could even go to $2, even $3 in the future. And the market would be between 10 to 12 billion dollars. So is it possible for you to become even a multimillionaire? Yes, very, very possible. Millionaire at 1 million Verasity is very, very doable. Now, you don't have to drop 21K right now. You could drop 2K every month for a year. You could drop 1K every month for 2 years. It's up to you. You don't have to drop everything right now. The same thing for right here, 500,000. So 500,000, okay, it would be half of that, essentially, nothing too crazy. Okay, you would have to drop essentially $10,000 on VRA to have $500,000. Now, how many of the in order for you to become a millionaire, VRA would have to go to $2, because it would be 500,000 VRA times 2, which would be $2, and it would equal $1 million essentially. And the market cap would be 8 billion. Is that doable? That's very, very doable in my opinion. 8.5 billion, very, very doable. Now, of course, the longer and higher the market cap will be, the more time it's going to take. The $1 region, I think that could come very, very fast in my opinion. And 50 cent, guys, if you're holding 1 million Verasity and it goes to 50 cent, which is definitely possible within a year and a half, you have 500 grand. $500,000 is life-changing money, guys. That's all I have to say. And then, of course, right here, 200,000 would essentially be, I believe, 4K. Let's have a look. 4,360 exactly. So in order for you to get 200,000 Verasity, the price would have to go to essentially 4,000. I mean, you would have to essentially drop 4,360 in order for you to get that much. And to be a millionaire, the price would have to go to $5. Is that possible? $5? $5 is definitely possible, but as I mentioned, guys, the market cap would have to be higher. Um, it would approximately be $20 billion, the market cap. That's quite high, but by the time that Verasity is $20 billion, Bitcoin will be like, 200, maybe $300,000, which is very, very possible. So this is how much Veracity you would need, and the price and all the calculation. Is it possible? Of course, if you have 500,000 or even a million, that's definitely possible. I think a good amount to hold that everyone should at least hold is 100K VRA. There's no question. I mean, with the market cap right now where it's at, 0.0218 is extremely cheap. We're also going to be diving into technical analysis to see where VRA can go and see how you can buy cheaper VRAs more VRAs with low amount of money. Okay, so let's dive into the charts real quick. VRA is currently trading right here. We know that the trend is your friend right here, so we're being held it pretty well by this nice little trend line, and it's riding the wave. Now we know the trend is your friend, there's no question. The second VRA falls down, we're gonna most likely come back to this support right here. If we close on the weekly, we're most likely gonna come back and retest this support right here, which is quite strong at 0.006. Okay, now imagine that. Okay, imagine you have $20,000. Okay, $20,000, and you want to drop it at 0.006. Okay, so you're gonna do divided by 0.006. Guys, that's 3 million VRAs, guys. That is an insane amount of VRA. So you wouldn't even need VRA to go to $1 in order for you to become a millionaire. You would essentially need VRA to go to 33 cents. Okay, look at that, $1,100,000. That's life-changing money. So you're essentially getting 3 times the amount that you would essentially get if you're buying VRA now. So this is how important it is to buy the dip, guys. A lot of people don't understand. They start to believe, they stop watching my videos, and they stop believing in crypto in general. And that's why, in my opinion, it's very important buying the dip, and this is how people essentially get rich. And I think if you're watching this video, you will definitely, and you listen, and I'm not telling you to buy VRA right now, but if you listen to how investing works, you will definitely be a millionaire within 5 years from now. Anyways, VRA, we've been consolidating between this region right here for quite some time, as you guys can see, since the 11th of January 2022. So since the new year started, we've just been consolidating sideways, nothing too crazy. If we manage to break above this level, we're most likely going to make a nice little move towards all-time highs again. If we break below this level, we're most likely going to make a move below 1 cent. Now, before I end this video, I want to say that Veracity dropping is just an opportunity, guys, for you. You don't want VRA to go up. If you believe in a project like this, you don't want it to go up. I personally, I want it to go either sideways or go down, because I really believe, until I had enough, until I say, okay, I have enough VRA, let's take it to the moon. Then I'm going to hope for a bull market after that. But if you're a true investor, you don't want to look for, crypto to go up all the time. You want to accumulate as cheap as you can, because if you just go up, yeah, it's going to be short gains. You're going to be making $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 maybe, but the life-changing money starts when you accumulate. So this is it for today's video, guys, on Veracity, and if you could become a millionaire, of course. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.